Okay, so we just joined into a new church, and so we got a couple of air conditioners right here. This one's a Bryant. I believe this is a Bryant or something, because this one's faded right here. I'm thinking it's a Bryant. It's got a Goodman scroll compressor. And I'll get these starting up next time if you want me to, because it's our new church right here. Okay, this one's from 2002. Yeah, 2002. I don't know what tonnage, because that's faded right there, so probably might be thinking this is a 3.5 ton. And here's a Ream 10 series unit. Oh, it's a Ruud. Okay. Stamped octagon. This one's from 1997. It's a 3 ton. So. And then we got some window air conditioners right here. Through the wall. I might be guessing this one is unbranded. Oh, there's another unit right there that's running. It's got, this one is, don't know what compressor that is. Here's a Friedrich, another small window air conditioner. It's got a, let me see, an LG compressor and a type of RU fan motor, whatever that is. It's another one right there. It's a Goodman. I thought this was a GMC, because no, I thought it was tan, so. Dang, this thing's quiet, so. This one's from 2015, it's a 5 ton. So 16 series unit. That's cold and sweaty, and this is out temperature. It's a heat pump with R410A, so. Looks like it got hit by a car or something. I like how the fan makes a noise. This thing is quiet, but still, it's a crap. Anyways, I guess over and out.